guys, in this video we are looking at rational exponents in equations, and the very basic type that we get is where we write the bases in terms of prime numbers and then raise both sides of the equation to the reciprocal of the exponent. Now what does reciprocal mean? Reciprocal basically means taking a fraction, for example 3/4, and taking the numerator down to the denominator and the denominator up to the numerator. So basically flipping it around. Let's do an example here. We've got x to the power of 3/2 is equal to 27. Notice the first thing we try to do is rewrite the bases in terms of prime numbers. So let's do that. X to the power of 3/2 is equal to 27 with the base of 3 is 3 cubed. Then you raise both sides of the equation to the reciprocal of the exponent. In this case, the exponent is x to the power of 3/2, which means we've got to raise it to the power of 2/3. And what I do on the left-hand side, I've got to do on the right-hand side, which means I raise 3 cubed also to the power of 2/3. Okay, let's get rid of the brackets. I'll be left with x on the left-hand side is equal to, and we've got a power raised to a power, which means we multiplied the two exponents. That's going to leave us with with 3 to the power of 2, and 3 to the power of 2 is equal to 9. And that's your solution. The next type we get is the quadratic type, where we find that the exponent in one term is either twice the exponent in another term, or it's the negative of the exponent in another term. And for this, we also use the K method to help us solve it. So let's have a look at this example. We've got x to the power of 2/3 minus 4x to the power of 1/3 plus 3 is equal to 0. Now I'm going to let the smaller one, which is x to the power of 1/3 equal k, which means that x to the power of 2/3 is going to be k squared. So k squared minus 4k plus 3 is equal to 0. Now I just factorize, put two brackets equals 0. K is your first term in each bracket. 3 and 1 are your second terms, and because my middle term is -4, both the signs here will be negative. So therefore, k is equal to +3, or k is equal to +1. But notice we were not asked to solve for k, we were asked to solve for x. So I've got to go back to the step here, where we had let x to the power of 1/3 equals k, and now I've got to substitute k with x to the power of 1/3 and then solve. Is equal to 3, or x to the power of 1/3 is equal to 1. So therefore, x to the power of 1/3, we take the reciprocal of that, which is 3/1 to the power of 3. And remember, what we do on the left-hand side of an equation, we have to also do on the right-hand side. Or x to the power of 1/3 raised to 3 is equal to 1 raised to the power of 3. Therefore, so here we have x is equal to 3 cubed is 27, or x is equal to 1 cubed, which is just 1, and that is your solution. Keep practicing, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.